Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist, or BCA, available on select Kia models, enhances the driver's vision by helping to detect and monitor approaching vehicles in the driver's blind spot. BCA alerts the driver of a possible collision with a message and audible warning, and helps to avoid a collision by applying the brakes when a risk of collision is detected. So here's how it works. BCA uses radar sensors in the rear bumper to monitor approaching vehicles from the rear. If the turn signal is turned on in the direction of the approaching vehicle, BCA then warns the driver that there is a vehicle in the driver's blind spot. The warning is visible on the driver's side view mirror, the instrument cluster, and on the head-up display if equipped. At the same time, an audible warning will sound. Under certain conditions, BCA can even apply the brakes. BCA operates when vehicle speed is above 40 miles per hour. To turn on BCA, with the vehicle on, press the Mode button on the steering wheel several times until the User Settings menu appears on the instrument cluster. On select Kia models, the setting will be in the audio head unit. Press and hold the Mode button on the steering wheel and the vehicle settings will appear on the audio head unit screen. You can also access the settings directly from the head unit by pressing the Setup key and then on-screen Vehicle button. Select Driver Assistance, then Blind Spot Safety. If Active Assist is selected, Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist will warn the driver with a warning message, an audible warning, and braking assist depending on the collision risk levels. If Warning Only is selected, BCA will warn the driver with a warning message and an audible warning. With this setting, the brakes will not be activated. If Off is selected, the Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist function will turn off. When you change the setting from Off to Active Assist or Warning Only, the warning light on the driver's side view mirror will blink for approximately 3 seconds. And when the vehicle is restarted, BCA will maintain the last setting. The driver can also select warning timing between normal and late, and here's how you change it. With the Start-Stop button on, press the Mode button several times until the User Settings menu appears on the LCD display. Again, on select Kia models, the settings will be in the audio head unit. Press and hold the Mode button or press the Setup key on the head unit, then the on-screen Vehicle button. Select Driver Assistance, then select Warning Timing. Now you can select either Standard or Late. Be aware that even if Standard is selected, if a vehicle approaches at a high speed, the initial warning activation may seem late. To adjust the warning volume from high to medium to low, select Warning Volume. Now you can select High, Medium, or Low. Be aware that if you change the warning volume for BCA, the warning volume for other driver assistance systems may change as well. Leave it to Kia to enhance your lane-changing ability by offering a feature like Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist. Remember, BCA does not operate in all situations and cannot avoid all collisions. Advanced driver assistance systems are not substitutes for safe driving and may not detect all objects around the vehicle. Always drive safely and use caution. For additional information on BCA, please refer to your owner's manual, the Kia Features and Functions Guide, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.